Hey, to add Google account on your Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, go to the settings. From here, scroll down until you locate Google section, just right here. Next, click on the sign in to your Google account. From here, we have to input our email or phone, and that's what I'm gonna do. Then select gmail.com, click next, and right here we just have to input our password. So I'm gonna do this out of the camera. And then click next if you confirm that your password is correct. In my case, I just input something wrong, so let me do this one more time. Okay, right now everything will be fine. And next we have to select who is going to use this device. So we are going to use it, so it will be this section, this answer. I will be using this device. Then click next, tap to I agree. From here it is loading the Google services, so just be patient and wait a little bit. You can use basic device backup, click accept, and as you can see right now we did it. So right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.